Why would someone want to sell their Amazon seller account?
Okay, so the main reason is it's not making any money, and in most cases, it's losing money because it's very hard today, even to be on even grounds with Amazon. You're either losing money or you're making money. It's very hard to be break even. Now, another thing, most people they don't even know that they're losing, and they don't even have the tools to know how much they're losing because you don't see that in the Amazon reports. Okay, you're only able to see partial information. You can see the revenue, you can see your payouts, but where's all the cost of goods, the shipping, making new listings, videos, images, all that, PPC. Okay, so most people they don't really have a clear picture of where they're at financially. But again, the main reason for selling the account, it's not profitable, it's not generating anything, and in most cases, it's actually losing money. So every month which you keep operating and have the account open, you're actually losing more money. Okay.
You mean like a seller account? Because you mentioned like operations and payouts. So that's an Amazon business, right? You mean?
That's relevant. It's relevant both for accounts and for businesses. Any account that has inventory,
All
okay,
right, I hear you.
has costs related to managing the account. And the
Mhm.
longer you have the inventory in the account and it's not selling, the higher the
Yeah.
fees you're going to pay for it. Okay, we've seen accounts that pay thousands of dollars just on inventory that's sitting on Amazon for a long time. Inventory that's big and also heavy. And the thing today is Amazon substantially raised what they charge for removing inventory, for sending it back to you, even for destroying it.
Mhm.
Okay, there's a minimum charge today of $1 per unit, and in big products it can go to 10, and I've even seen $15. Just to
Wow.
just to remove one unit. Say you have thousands of units, do the calculations in your head. It's crazy the amount of money you can owe Amazon just for having inventory in the account. Okay, so
Yes.
this basically allows sellers basically to put a stop on these charges, on these recurring charges that they're getting. Okay, and a lot of people they do want to get out of Amazon. We hear this every day. So many people, are fed up with Amazon. They're tired, they're exhausted, and they want to do other things.
Yeah.
And as long as they have the account and billing every month, you understand what I mean.
Yeah, yeah. Even if it's simple, like $40, that the recurring payment,
Exactly. That's five
it's
hundred
like,
dollars a year just for the monthly charges. And if you have any inventory, I can promise you it's way, way, way more than that.
yeah, I agree, man. Pretty cool. So, yeah, I'll remind our viewers we have these forums for buying and selling Amazon seller accounts and Amazon businesses in the description. So, if you're sitting there with your inventory and just the recurring $40 payment, then consider it's in the description.